Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Walmart Inc. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Walmart Inc., begin by visiting their official website. Navigate to the Contact Us section found at the bottom of the homepage. Choose the appropriate option based on your inquiry type. For job inquiries, use the Careers link to explore employment opportunities. If you're a supplier, select the Suppliers section for detailed information. To reach customer service, look for the Help or Customer Service link. You can call their customer service number for immediate assistance. Consider utilizing their live chat feature for quick responses. If you prefer written communication, fill out the contact form provided on the website. For corporate inquiries, find the corporate information link for additional resources. Connect with Walmart on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Follow them to stay updated on company news and events. If you're an investor, consult the Investor Relations section for shareholder inquiries. For media-related questions, visit the newsroom or media page. Attend Walmart events or webinars to engage with company representatives. Explore regional contact information for specific store-related queries. For international inquiries, find the global contact details on their site. Keep track of any follow-up actions recommended during your communication. Be aware of Walmart's business hours when planning your outreach. Stay polite and professional in all your correspondence. By following these steps, you can effectively connect with Walmart Inc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.